Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week we are doing fall makeup as it is officially fall. And if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. The temperatures may not say autumn everywhere, but this is an autumnal month, so we're going to be doing an autumn or fall inspired makeup look. And I don't have that much fall makeup, so I had to order them. Order a makeup palette that had the fall colors that I wanted, because I wanted the like bright colors that you find in early fall, and then also some that had the later fall colors that have like burnt orange, browns, the more naturals and colors like that. And there was only one palette that I found in my area where I could get it as fast as I needed it to, and that was a Makeup Revolution's Game of Thrones Mother of Dragons, this one right here. And I mean, look at the colors. Doesn't this scream autumn? It really does. Now, by the way, I do like to use the words both autumn and fall, so I might change it up throughout the video. I don't know. I prefer to use both, and I never know which one is coming out of my mouth. So let's just jump right into the video and do the makeup look. No more rambling. So first thing I'm gonna do is take a fluffy brush like this one right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go in and get Khaleesi, which is this color right here. And with this color, all I'm going to be doing is putting it on my crease and above, and just gently having a transitional color right here. Also, I almost forgot, but I want the color on my inner half of my lower lash line. That's where I also want this color, and that I'm going to be using a flat brush for getting that detail, just so that you know what I'm doing. And then I want to put a darker color in the outer corners of my eye, and I'm taking a firm round brush like this one, and I am taking this color right here, which is the Khal. What I'm going to do with this is I want to put it in my outer corner, a little bit up into the crease, but mainly keeping it out here, bringing it down to the outer half of my lower lashes. I want to kind of make it just in the outer corners, because when I blend it anyway, it's gonna go in with the red. Now you want to take in blender brush, and I'm using Essence Eye Blender brush, and what you want to do is take this and fade out the brown a little bit before we move on to the next color. Now the last color that we are going to be putting on, it's just where we haven't put any color yet. So it's on the lid, but it's in from the inner corner into where it meets the brown. So for this, you can either use a flat brush like this one, or you can go ahead and use your fingers. I think for this, I want to use my fingers just because I want that extra pop of color. And I know it will get that with my finger. And the color that I want to go in and use is the Rebellious, that is right here. And then we want to go ahead and put on some eyeliner, and I'm using the Dipliner ink from H&M that looks like this. Then you want to go ahead and curl your lashes. And then you want to put on your mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline's the Colossal that looks like that. And you want to put mascara on your upper and outer half of your lower lashes. And because of the way my eyes are shaped, you don't actually have to do this step, but you can easily see my waterline on my upper lashes. So I want to go ahead and go in with an eyeliner pencil. This one doesn't have a name. And just put it on my upper waterline. want to go ahead and set it with a setting spray, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution's Sport Fix that looks like this. And so this is the finished look, and this is what the colors combined look like, and it's perfect for starting off the autumnal season. And with that, if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. I upload my makeup Wednesdays every Wednesday at 7 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 2 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!